Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So yun, tapos na tayo sa exponential functions, hyperbolic functions. We will now proceed with the yung application, no? Example problems for applications of indefinite integration. So again, the problems were taken from the book of Feliciano Anoy, Differential and Integral Calculus. So the book is available sa mga suking tindahan, actually sa National Bookstore. I don't know if legit ba yung nasa Shopee at saka sa Lazada, but for sure, of course, legit yung nasa original copy yung nasa National Bookstore. Actually, I was able to buy my copy sa National Bookstore dati. I think 10 years, 11 years ago during my college days. So nakakamiss din, no? Anyway, ang problem ko dati noon is the book actually has an answer key, but for odd numbers lang. And then, walang solution. So, actually, I was able to create a parang solutions manual dati, but hindi ko alam na wala. And anyway, it was handwritten, which is why now, I realized pwede ko siguro gawing content, no? Yung mga solutions ko for the book. So, again, the problems were taken from the book. Please buy the book. It's actually a very, very good book, reference book, especially if you're taking differential and integral calculus. Sige. So, I think that's it. Let's continue with our problem number one. Sorry, sa application. Ano ba yung problem ito? Ito, exercise 9.6. So, find the, actually, i-type ko na dito. Find the, again, no? Find the equation of the family of curves whose slope at any point x, y is the following. Is ganyan. Is, okay, find the equation of the family of curves whose slope at any point is, ito. So, the first one, ang slope daw is 3x squared plus 4. Now, the way the problem is presented, bali sa number 1, 3x squared plus 4. And then you might be wondering, sir, paano to sasagutan? Ano daw ang equation? Actually, the problem, I'm sure no, you're studying integral calculus, but this is actually more or less differential calculus. I mean, differential equations na. Okay? But, so, actually, that will be your next subject. But for now, integral calculus muna tayo. So anyway, our goal is to find the equation. Basically, we have an equation. Yung final answer natin will be an equation. Actually, the same with what we did sa mga previous exercises. Kasi equation man yun. However, worded problem kasi, baka siguro, hindi diretso ba na binigay na what is the integral of this one. So, baka medyo malito kayo. Anyway, ang idea nito is ito yung equation natin. So, if you remember from your analytic geometry, saan ba to? Slope, or from your calculus, di ba? Alam natin slope is dy over dx. So we can actually write dy over dx. dy over dx is actually equal to 3x squared plus 4. Diba? Yan o, dy over dx is 3x squared plus 4. And then we want to solve an equation that fits, okay, this para bang condition, no, that the dy over dx of that specific equation is 3x squared plus 4. Okay? Now, I understand if medyo, ano yung gagawin natin dito? So, actually, you can write this one like this. Dy is equal to, yan, dx. And then, after yan, you can actually integrate both sides. Ay, sorry. Yan, dy. And then, yung isa, dx. Diba? And then notice, dito, this will be, ano yung integral ng 1, diba? Y, kasi dy man yan. So, y plus c. But anyway, kung may plus c sa kabila, you can actually merge that constant into another constant. So, I'll just actually write the constant on the right side of the equation. So, I can write y equal to, so meron tayong function of x here, plus c. Y as a function of x. So, bali, ito yung equation natin. Okay? Sige. So, ito yung hinahanap natin. So, I think, alam naman natin, no? Ano yung integral nito? 3x squared plus 4, di ba? Meron tayong basic equation, no? Ito, 3n. So, diretso ko na lang ha, na ilalagay. So, that's 3 times x to the power cube over 3. Kasi nga, exponent is 3 over 3. And then, plus 4x. And then, plus c. Okay? Anyway, that will be our answer. Yeah. So, our answer should be this equation. So, ito na yung equation natin. Tanggalin lang natin to. Yan. Okay? Yan na yung sagot natin. Okay? Sige. So, I hope okay tayo dyan, ha? Check na natin kung same ba tayo ng sagot dito. X cube plus 4x plus c. Okay? Tama lang. Sige. So, I hope okay tayo dito. Next, I think that's it. If you have any questions, clarifications, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next problem natin, which is problem number